Hello, America. This here's your old pal, Purple Jiggly there. Folks call me Purple Jiggly because I'm usually wearing something purple and I'm jiggly. I could jiggle my man boobs for you if you want, but it's disturbing. Doing something different in today's video. I've been doing some taste testing and stuff like that, and nobody watches them. Like, I can see the counts and nobody watches them. But something that your old pal Jiggly watches when he's on the YouTube is unboxing videos. I enjoy them. So I thought that I would do my very first ever unboxing video for you'uns. Live and in living color here on the Facebook. Your old pal Jiggly here, he's just a dumb redneck from the hills, you know, nothing special. And when I get a little bit of money, I buy stupid stuff. And I was at a store there. I'm not going to say their name so I don't get sued or nothing, but everything in there is $5 and below. I'm sure you can figure it out from that. And they had a whole section of the wall that was poop, fake poop, lots of fake poop. And they had something in there that, well, it made me think of my piece of crap car. So I bought it. It is a pile driver, it says, and it's poop with fart sound button is what it says there. So I'm gonna open this thing up right here in front of you guys on the YouTube there, and we're gonna give it a whirl. I looked at the bottom of the box here. Let me find it. And it said that I was going to need some batteries. So, your old pal Jiggly here, he's not a rich man. So we're going to use some dollar store batteries today. I figure that they'll do just fine for what we're about to do. So, let's get to unboxing this thing here. Let's see. Nope, not there. Not there. Let's try over here. Not there. Well, I'd unbox it if I could figure out how it opens. Let's try over here. Oh, it moved. Alright. Let's try. Nothing there to grab a hold of. Alright, well. I can get my finger in there. Alright, I've had enough. Let's do this. That's my little pocket knife I take with me when I go fishing, by the way. Imagine if I stick that in right there and... Aha! There we go. Unboxing with style. There we go. Let's see what we got here. It's open. Grab a hold of that there cardboard and push and pull, and I think that there's the controller for the piece of crap car, poopmobile, pile driver, whatever you want to call it, from the $5 and below store. I'll set that up there by the camera. There we go. I'll move that out the way here. Let's see what else we got here. But the rest of this ain't coming out. There we go. Went caveman on it. Alright, now what do we do? Alright, so we got this far on to unboxing the poopmobile here. Let's get some of the trash out the way here. Let's take a look. I have no idea how to get them off. Let's try some redneck ingenuity. That's not a knife. That's a knife. Let's try this one right there. Same thing. Ha-ha. There we go. We'll move the fishing knife out the way, and that's the last bit of the box. There we go. That's gone. Alright. That's what the bottom of the drivable turd looks like. Oh, it's even soft and squishy. That's weird. Alright, looks like I need a screwdriver. Just like that one right there that was conveniently within arm's reach, just like I thought I would need it. So let's take out that screw right there. And that screwdriver is too big. We'll try this one that just so happens to be conveniently within my reach. That's the perfect size right there. Don't lose that screw. It's probably the most important piece, and it's probably 80 bucks if you lose it and need to replace it. Okay, battery compartment is open. We need your old pal Jiggly's not very smart. Let me see if I can get that where you guys can see it there. Yeah, I grabbed the wrong size battery. I need the ones that got the 3 A's, not the ones with the 2 A's. So instead of batteries, it's batteries. I guess I'm gonna pause this and go see if I can't find the right size battery. If I've got some batteries hidden somewhere, I'll be right back. If not, I'm gonna have to go back to the dollar store. Anyway, I'll put the poop right there where you can see it. There we go. That'll give you something to look at while I'm gone. I'll be right back. Hello there, America. I'm back. I found some of the batteries with the 3 little A's on them. I had to steal them from the TV remote. I didn't have any. So like I said, instead of batteries, we now have batteries. So apparently you need some excitement to drive the poopmobile here. Alright, there's one. There's 2. Alright, and then this only goes on the one way there. Even I can't screw that up. And then there's that $80 screw there. Had an $80 screw once in Las Vegas, but that's a story for another time. Alright, there we go. Screws back in like magic. Cheap stuff. Anyway. I should probably make an effort to wipe off the top of my desk here. Use the old coat sleeve. There we go. Let's put the poopmobile right there. Let's angle the camera here in such a way as you can see it. So something probably about like that. Oh, even that ain't real good. Something I can... Anyway, that's probably good enough. Whatever. So it looks like there's a little antenna here. Oh, isn't that special? Alright, it looks like... Well, there's the fart noises. Alright. Well, I can tell it's cheaply made. It's broke already. The rubber supposed to be on the wheel came off on that side, which is why it don't seem to go real good. I'll see if I can get that back on. $5 and below, because we pay 5 cents for it from China. That's alright. So far, it's been worth the $5 just for the amusement factor there. Alright, let me see. I need something to get down in there and get a hold of that little rubber piece there. Let's try that. Oh no, I made it worse. Yep, I sure did. I made it worse. Oh well. I'm driving a piece of crap. I'm driving a piece of crap. Yeah, before I took the Jiggly mobile into the shop there, it was kind of making that noise right there. That's the fart button right there. That's what it does. Oh, anyway, I don't know if I want to recommend it since I broke it already. Been playing with it for 30 seconds, but it is kind of fun driving a turd around. There we go. Get my finger out the way there. It's doing that because of that there rubber piece thing did come off the tire. Alright, so there we go. There is my official unboxing of the pile driver radio controlled turd that you can drive around. Let me move that there and get the money shot. There we go. It's worth the $5 just for entertainment value, I suppose. I didn't really expect anything high quality from that there $5 and below store, but that's what we got. So we're gonna end the video right there. And there's the old knife for you one more time, because knives are cool. Thanks for watching the very first ever unboxing video with your old pal Jiggly. Probably more of these coming, because I like to buy dumb shit for no reason. Other than the fact that I can. We'll see how it goes from here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. But that is it for today. As always, thank you for watching, and God bless America and all that.